Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to start exercise 10.4 question number 2. And the question is, in the figure, measurement of angle C is equal to measurement of angle D. These two angles are equal, and side BC, this side BC is congruent to the side AD, and we have to prove that the side AC is congruent to the side BD, and angle BAC is congruent to the angle ABD. So according to the given in this diagram, angle C is congruent to angle D because both angles are of 90 degree, and the side BC, this side BC is congruent to the side AD. And according to proof, we have to prove that AC, this side AC is congruent to the side BD, and angle BAC means this angle. Angle BAC is congruent to the angle ABD, this angle. So in order to prove this, we have to prove, and in proof we have to make two columns, first for statements and the second for reasons. As you can see, there are two diagrams, two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle BAC. So in statements we are going to take correspondence between these two triangles. Triangle ABD correspondence with triangle BAC, correspondence between these two triangles. And in correspondence, the first statement we have to write is AD. This AD is congruent to the side BC. This side AD is congruent to side BC according to given. So the reason for this statement is given. Then angle C is congruent to angle D because each of these two angles are of 90 degree. AB, this side AB, you can see that this AB side is the common side of these two triangles. So AB is congruent to side AB, and the reason for this is common, as this side is common between these two triangles. Thus triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC because of HS postulate. As I have told you, HS postulate is used when the hypotenuse and any one side of a right triangle are congruent to the hypotenuse and the corresponding side of another right triangle. So these are two right triangles and their hypotenuse are also congruent along with one of the other side. So this side and their hypotenuse are congruent. So HS postulate will be used over here because the right angle 90 degree angle is congruent, hypotenuse is congruent, and their two sides are congruent. Two corresponding sides are congruent. So HS postulate will be used over here. Triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle BAC. HS is congruent to HS. As these two triangles are congruent, so their corresponding sides and angles will be also congruent. Therefore side AC, this side AC is congruent to the side BD, corresponding sides of congruent triangles, and therefore angle BAC is congruent to the angle ABD, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. This is the whole thing we have to prove in this question. Thank you.